So I was very frustrated and my world broke down in pieces as this was my original plan. I met a friend then, which I had since almost the beginning of my journey from the aviation. And he mentioned and tried to build me up again and asked, "Do you have plan B, Lam?" And then I was thinking, actually I had one, and this was Horizon from Helvetic Group. That means this is not a dead end, this is just the beginning. So I gathered all my motivation and energy together. Directly after the day I met him, I applied for Horizon, airline cadet program. So with Horizon there were other tests involved, which I had to prepare myself. One was the online test, the other was an Hubex test, which was mainly psychomotoric test. Then at the end I was invited to an interview with the CEO, and actually everything went very well, and he was very happy to let me in the school, as all my values which I had made in the test was showing that I'm made for this job. After getting clarification from the airline cadet program, I applied for my medical class 1. Those tests have involved eye test and general health test. Since then, September of 2023, I'm learning a lot in different places for students on my knowledge from the aviation. The general book is BAK, BAK book, that means Basic Aviation Knowledge, and also had already started 3 flight lessons this year. So I'm really grateful for this year and really happy how far I came, and looking forward for 2024, which I will have my voice training, my PATSL test, and as well the flight test in practice.